This is the Vanpore 6-inch cordless chainsaw. Let's take it out of the box. In the box is a really nice blow molded case complete with a go handle. In the box you get the operator manual. They give you the charger and 2 batteries. The charger can charge both batteries at the same time. If you charge the batteries one at a time, the batteries charge in 60 minutes. If you do both at the same time, it will take longer. They give you a replacement chain. Here is the unit itself, of course. There's a sheath for the blade. They give you earplugs. They give you gloves. And they give you safety glasses right over there. So with that out of the way, let me tell you a little bit more about this, and then of course we'll test it out. The batteries on this are 21 volt, 2 amp hour batteries. The unit has an 800 watt brushless pure copper motor. The blades on the chain are German manganese steel. The chainsaw has an automatic oiler system. If we pick it up here, I'll show you around it a bit. Your battery snaps on over here. Your trigger, it's locked. You have to press that to release it, like that. This is there to prevent you from your hands getting in the way of stuff. This is a toolless design to change the blade out, change the chain out, I should say. You loosen that cover, and this black ring adjusts the tension of the blade. And like I said, it has an automatic oiler system. This unscrews here. You put your bar and chain oil in there. There's an indicator on the side over there. And once you fill that up, you can cut for 5 to 6 minutes before the oil has been depleted. Remember that a lot of cuts are and you're done. Okay, so it's a second or two. So it will last some time. Let me put the battery in just so you can hear the saw run. It is loud. They do give you earplugs. There is a short delay when you press the trigger until it runs. So get the lock out of the way. And that's it. Cover over the blades to protect with that. That's really all there is to it. Now you just go and put it to work. So I'm going to do the same. So this evergreen that's growing there, it's kind of leaning in the gutter and it's on the gutter, and that's a whole branch which comes down to over here. So this is the branch that I'm going to be cutting right here. I think we're pretty good to do that. I want to see if I can just somehow get these other things out of the way a bit. I guess that'll probably suffice. And we're going to just lop this off. I'm not concerned about cutting it close to the thing or something. I just want to do this for a demonstration because that limb does have to come down. All right, here we go. There he goes. Very nice. And now, of course, I'll finish my cut over there, which may not be that easy. It was. Not bad. So here is the humongous limb that I took down. You can see how big that is, and indeed it cut through it. I'm going to chop this up some. So here's a pile of stuff that I cut up with the Vanpore chainsaw. It did a fine job. I've tested a number of these. This one I really like because of the automatic oiling system, because that's something that a lot of people forget. They're like, oh, got to take that off, let me get the chainsaw. They don't oil it, destroy the chain, and that's the end of it. But this has the automatic oiler built in, and you can check the level on it, so you really can't go wrong. Once again, this is the Vanpore cordless chainsaw. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.